Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau and today we're going to make lovely truffles. If dates are on the dry side, soak in hot water for 10 minutes. Combine the dates, almond flour, cocoa powder, and salt in a food processor and process until mixed well. Add in half the almond butter and process again. Then continue to add almond butter as needed to form into a cohesive ball. Transfer to a bowl. Scoop out and roll into a round shape. Dust or roll in extra cocoa powder. Sifted first if lumpy. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.